What's going on YouTube? It is Mad Hatter with another target practice, and today I want to talk to you guys about butt sex. Not just any butt sex, but cat butt sex. That's right, I'm coming to you guys about cat butt sex. And I know you guys are probably like, what the hell is wrong with Aiden right now? But it gets funny. I'm serious. So I'm on the computer yesterday night and I'm on YouTube just searching random shit, and then I come across cat butt sex. I know, that's what happens when you're dark and lonely. Anyway, so I'm looking at cat butt sex and it's a video, and it's so hilarious though. I mean, it's not just like normal cat butt sex, you know, it's the weird, crazy, funny cat butt sex. And I'm going to show you guys this video, but before I show you guys this video, I want to give you the scenario. So the guy video records his two cats having sex, and it's a very awkward vibe. It goes on for quite a long time, so I had to edit it to get to the point. But you guys are going to have a really good laugh at this. That poor cat is in pain. She's like, "Oh Lordy, no, wrong hole." Let's continue watching. Alright, now, after watching that, I know you guys are laughing just as much as I was, because that joke was just funny. But the question is, what kind of person records their cats having sex? I mean, like, what is going on in that person's head where they're just like, you know what, I feel like just recording my two cats having sex. I mean, and now I'm going to put it on YouTube, and people are going to watch it and think it's funny, and it's going to get lots of views. No. I mean, that's just weird. Who does that? That's some kinky shit. I mean, seriously. But, admittingly, it was funny. So, I'm at loss for words. I'm sorry. But let me know what you guys thought. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And that is it for now. Probably be more videos coming in this week, because I got a totally busy week on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and Monday. So I probably won't be able to do a lot of videos as much as I would like until Tuesday of next week. So, I'm going to get up out of here, guys. Love you guys. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. That is it for now. Peace, love, unity, respect. I'm out.